Good morning, guys. I am rushing, heading to the gym this morning. It's 5:55. I'm supposed to be at the gym at 6 o'clock. Yeah. Can y'all please remind me to start my Apple Watch when I get to the gym because I never do. Literally, I always forget. It is 6:09, guys. We have made it. Your girl has entered the gym territory. Y'all, I will be at my apartment if it... can I get some privacy, please? Yeah, thankful for my boyfriend because this is his membership, y'all. I'm not paying for no gym. I have a gym at the house. And y'all know I was going to my gym, but he likes to go to Crunch, so. I think today's push, so he said chest and try. Upper body basically for me. I don't be doing all that push. I don't know the difference really. I just do upper body, and upper body are normally my light days, but since I'm working out with him, it's not a light day at all. I don't think we even get a light day other than rest day. So shoes as we speak. I'm gonna hop in the shower. My camera died before I can do my cute aesthetic shot, but we have my protein shake and I have my straw, and they're cutting grass when there's ice outside, so I don't understand what's going on. I added some PB2 to it today because, I don't know, I kind of wanted a peanut butter flavor taste. This did it. This is so good. I'm not about to scream over this lawnmower or whatever they're doing outside. Pretty sure they're cutting the grass. Don't know how, because there's ice definitely outside still, but that's okay. lunch break. I've been on it for about maybe 10-15 minutes, not sure. Currently folding up these clothes. I'm actually so excited right now. Just got some good news at my job. So like, I was already having a really good morning and I was getting a lot of stuff done and really trying to figure out my finances. Like literally working on my finances this morning. And yeah, my supervisor messaged me and I'm like, geek. I'm like, yeah, needed that blessing. So grateful for that blessing. So grateful that the Lord is just still providing. Even when I don't know how I'm gonna do something, He still provides. Look at this dress that I thrifted, by the way. How cute is this gonna be a summer dress? I'm gonna wear a lot of dresses during the summertime. Yeah, I don't know what I have planned after work today. I need to go ahead and get that figured out because I have no clue. It's just a matter of, I know I wanna hang out with my friend today. I know I wanna edit. I know I wanna apply to jobs. I wanna read the Bible. When can I fit all that in? And how can I do it in the most efficient time where I can go to bed by a good time? So I might have to end up telling my friend I can't hang out with her. I already washed my clothes and I went to the gym today. Loki can wear it tomorrow, but we won't do that. Or maybe I can hang out with her and go to a coffee shop. I wonder would she be okay? Because I really, yeah, I'm gonna ask her if we can meet at a coffee shop and work on our own stuff. Five minutes later, we are in the kitchen. I'm about to put together my food. Now, do I want cheese? I really want steak, so I'm not gonna even act like I don't want steak. Hi. Why are you glowing? You look so beautiful. So yeah, it's just about that time. We're having some lunch. I tried to pick up the camera and record and talk to y'all, but I zoned in and I got so focused on work that I didn't even get to say a word to y'all, and I was tearing that food down. It was so good. So yeah, I just really focused on work and made sure I finished strong. Had 4 hours left, and then we were gonna head out.